In this video I'm going to talk a little bit about assembling through-hole devices. You can see I've got some axial parts here. This is just a resistor. Typically what you're going to do is just bend the leads. They make lead forming tools. You're going to insert this into a circuit board like so. Here you can see I've just got some perf board. And then maybe you'll bend the leads over and solder it, or maybe you'll snip them off first with a set of side cutters like so. And maybe you're consistent at this, maybe not. Maybe you push it over, then do your soldering. There's various techniques you can use to do this. Back when companies were doing a lot of through-hole, we would have hand tools like this one. This is called a cut and clinch tool. Normally this was part of the auto insertion process. So the auto inserter would insert the part into the board. Then there were a set of heads that would come up and bend the leads and cut them all in one process. And that's what this tool does. You can see there's a little hook on the end, and this is just put over the lead like so, and then we just squeeze, and that's it. There's our bent over lead, and it's cut to length. I'll just do the other lead. See how nice that is? It's very consistent. On the bigger machines, of course, you got to handle different thicknesses. Maybe you have different lengths of lead, so all these are adjustable. On a little handheld tool like this, you have one adjustment on the back side. You can see the cutting tip right here. You can see it's kind of a wedge. You can see as I squeeze the handles together, that actually fires that blade. It's pretty quick. I've also seen tools like this that were pneumatic. Of course, I don't use air up here in the lab, so this is a much better choice. So let's see if we can maybe capture this with the high-speed camera. Maybe give you a little bit better idea what's actually going on here. Let's just try this in the air. So, of course, the circuit board would normally be holding this side and not the back side. I was going to try to shoot this shot through some acrylic or something, but I just can't seem to get it. So let's just try this and see what happens. So there you go. This is the model TP-8. It was made by a company called Eraser in Syracuse, New York. Hope you enjoyed the little time warp. Later.